This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.